Whoa, I almost fell.
Oh, she's candy like you. She's so yellow. Cry. Go write a song about it, Taylor Swift.
Do it. Say it. I do.
Okay. Y'all ain't never smoked weed before, but you want a little LSD? You want a little bit of LSD? Do you even know what the fuck that is?
It's like a drug.
Well,
Yeah, it's in a drink. You have to drink it.
it's a drink.
It is. Do you have any
It's
water?
ecstasy.
Any water?
It's in a water bottle.
Okay.
You really want a little bit of LSD?
I
Here. Come here.
She just flushed it off.
Since
Fuck. What?
What
What's
is
it?
it?
Here. Here.
It's LSD.
Fuck, I'll give
Oh
it
my
to you.
God.
You scared?
Wait, if you waste, this fucking costs like $80.
It for real does.
Water.
No, it's
Yes,
Oh, you put it in the drink.
You put it in the fucking drink. Obviously, it's water. You put LSD in there. You see the little shit? Here.
Really
Take a drink. If you dump that out, it's
Sperm.
No, it's
The
not.
fuck?
You have sperm.
You just
You
wasted
high?
our shit.
You wasted our shit, you dumbass.
Take a drink.
More than water.
They give me drugs.
Fuck.